Good morning everyone, I am in Madrid, Spain, and as you can probably tell from my face, I've just woken up and I'm about to have breakfast. And for breakfast, I'm going to one of the most famous places in Madrid. It's called Chocolatería de San Ginés, and it's actually very famous for the churros. It's a type, which are a type of fried dough that you dip in hot chocolate. And that place has been around since 1894. So I think they know what they are doing. Anyway, let me go and get in there and show you what it is all about. Una porzione di churros con chocolate, un caffè e una bottiglia di agua, por favor.
Café solo con leche americana.
Solo, por favor. Gracias. Okay, just placed my order. Gonna sit downstairs because apparently, well, the place is really busy, as you can imagine. Perfect. Gonna sit here and wait for the delicacy. Look what I've just found out. I didn't realize before, but these are photos of people, famous Spanish people, I would assume, that had breakfast or whatever they had in this place. So yeah, apparently it's a place where you want to be if you're in Madrid and you do like churros. Churros, by the way, not churros. This is what churros look like. Okay, it's basically this stick of fried dough you dip in hot chocolate. Oh, but it looks amazing already. I mean, I just cannot find the words to describe this. And just to give you a rough idea about the prices, for a portion of churros, which is literally 6 churros actually, and 1 espresso, and the chocolate of course that goes with the churros, and a bottle of water, I spent literally €8.90, which I think is really, really good. You have to bear in mind that this is possibly one of the most famous places in Madrid. We are literally 3 minutes away from Sol Square, which is, I would say, possibly the center of the city. It's worth every penny. They're absolutely delicious, so you gotta try that.